Ever wondered what really happens during a root canal? Don't worry, it's not as scary as you think. Let's break it down step by step, and I'll even share how you can avoid needing one in the first place. So imagine you've got a toothache that just won't quit. Your dentist says you need a root canal. Well, inside every tooth is a soft tissue called the pulp. It's like the heart of your tooth. Sometimes, if you've got a deep cavity or a crack, bacteria slip in and infect the pulp. That's when the trouble starts. Here's how a root canal saves the day. First, the dentist numbs your tooth, so you won't feel a thing. Then they make a tiny opening on top of the tooth to get to the pulp inside. Using super fine tools, they carefully remove all the infected tissue. Next, they clean out the inside, rinse it with special solutions, and shape the space, making sure not a single germ is left behind. Once it's all cleaned out, the dentist fills up the empty space with a rubbery material called gutta percha. Think of it as a comfy sleeping bag for your tooth. Finally, they seal the tooth up tight and usually pop on a crown for extra strength. And that's it. You keep your natural tooth pain-free. But here's the real secret. You can avoid root canals with a few simple habits. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Don't forget to floss. It reaches those sneaky spots between your teeth. Cut down on sugary snacks and drinks, since sugar is like a buffet for cavity-causing bacteria. And of course, visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. If you ever feel pain, swelling, or notice your tooth changing color, don't wait. Get it checked out early. The sooner you catch a problem, the easier it is to fix. So that's the scoop on root canals. Not so scary, right? Take care of your teeth, and they'll take care of you. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep smiling.